Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to contact Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda. Then over here, if you are facing any problem, then there is a help center by Kings, so you can always contact them, report, and if you're having any trouble while playing the game, then you can always contact them. There are certain guidelines. How you can go there is by clicking on the wheel icon or gear icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. Over here you can see the option of what and comment or text icon. You can, if you go on what, then here you get guidance. If you're still not here, you can get or go to the help center and you can search what queries or what problem you're facing, and if you go over here, tap on it, in the chat icon or there, you directly go to King's community and you can tap on team. Then over here you can see popular topic. Here you can even search and see whichever problem you are facing, you can search, and by searching it you can report it. Go to my profile, what is a King account. Here you can see your queries, any doubt, then they have got all your answers. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here tap on any of it, and here you can see the option of contact us. Tap on it. Here you have to enter your email, full name, and yes, there you go. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube